Hello dear students, today I am going to continue exercise 3.2. So in the last video question number 1 and 3 were done, and in this video I am going to solve question number 5. So we will do it in the same way using the division algorithm. So question is that if n is any odd integer, then show that n to the power 4 plus 4n square plus 11 is expressible in the form of 16k, where k belongs to z. That means k is any integer, n is any odd integer. So we have to prove that this expression can be expressed in the form of 16k, where k is some integer. So in the same way we have to do it using the division algorithm. So first of all, take one into any integer and solution. Let n be any integer. We can't take firstly that it is odd integer. First of all, we have to take n be any integer. It may be even or odd. N be any integer, and b we have to take, if we take, suppose Euclid's division algorithm is a is equal to bq plus r. So if we consider any integer a, then we have to consider one more integer b. For these two integers we get q and r, other two integers. So we have considered any integer n, so we have to consider one more integer which will depend in the given according to the question. So in question it is given 16k. So if we take b is equal to 16, then the possible values of r will be many numbers, many integer will come. So 0 to 15. So we can take factor of 16. So we can take 4, or square root of 16 is 4. So or 4 is a factor of 16. So we can take b is equal to 4. It will be easy for us. Otherwise we will get many odd numbers. 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3, 4q plus 5, 4q plus 7. In this way we will get in odd integers up to 4q plus 15. So it will be very long. So we have to consider b in such a way so that it is a factor of 16. So 4 is a factor of 16 or square root of 16. So we can take b is equal to 4. So using these two integers, if we apply Euclid's division algorithm in n and b, so we get, therefore using Euclid's or using division algorithm, we have a is equal to bq plus n, n is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b or greater than equal to 0. So n is equal to, b means 4, 4q plus r, and r means what? R is less than, b means what? 4, less than 4 and greater than equal to 0. So up to this as similar as previous one. So now what are the possible values of r? Therefore r may take the values 0, 1, 2 and 3, because b is 4. So what are the possible values of n? Therefore n is equal to, if we put 0 in place of r, then we get 4q plus 0, that means 4q, and by putting 1 we get 4q plus 1, by putting 2 4q plus 2, and by putting 3 4q plus 3. So we need odd integer. If n is any odd integer, we get value of n 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. Among these numbers, 4q and 4q plus 2 are even integers, you know it. And which are odd integers? 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. So we have to consider these two integers here. So right here 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd integers. So by considering 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, we have to solve the given expression. So for a 4q plus 1, for n is equal to 4q plus 1, our expression is n to the power 4 plus 4n square plus 11 is equal to, we have to put value of n, 4q plus 1 to the power 4 plus 4 into 4q plus 1 whole square plus 11. Now see, in this two term 4q plus, here 4q plus 1 to the power 4 and here 4 into 4q plus 1 square. So 4q plus 1 square is common, so take out it. 4q plus 1 whole square, here remains 4q plus 1 whole square plus, here 4q plus 1 whole square comes out, so 4 and plus 11. 4q plus 1 whole square, here a plus b formula, break it. After breaking, what we get? 4q plus 1 whole square means 16q square plus 8q plus 1 and plus 4, and here remains plus 11. So after solving, we get 4q plus 1 whole square, here remains 16q square plus 8q plus 5 and then plus 11. So if we break it, for 16q square plus 8q plus 1, here whole into 16q square plus 8q plus 5 plus 11. So now we have to multiply this term, these two expression. So if we multiply, no need to find the results, just multiply 16q square into 16q square. Now 16q to the power 4, we can write 256, or 16 into 16q to the power 4, write like that. Then multiply 16q square with 8q plus 16 into 8 q square and q cube. No need to find the result. Then 16q square into 5, that means 16 into 5 q square. So again multiply with 8q, 8 into 16, that means 16 into 8 q and q square q cube plus 8 into 8, that means 64. So in this time you can write 64 means 16 into 4, since we will take out 16 as common. So 16, 8 into 8, 64. 64 can be written as 16 into 4. So q and q square. Then 8q into 5, that means 80 means 60. 8q into 5, 40, sorry, 40. Since it cannot be written as the product of 16, so we have to write 40 here. 40 q. Next one, we have to multiply with 1. So 1 into 16q square plus 16q square plus 1 into 8q plus 1 into 5 and then 11. Now see, we will add similar terms. So 16q to the power 4 is only one term, 16 into 16q to the power 4, 16 into 16q to the power 4 plus q cube, here 16 into 8q cube, again 16 into 8q cube. So that means 2 into 16, that means 2 into 16 into 2 into 16 into 8 q cube plus square term 16 into 5 q square and 16 into 4 q square, that means 16 into 16, that means 16 is common, 5 into 4, or you can write 16 into 5 80 q square, and here 16 into 4 64 q square and 16 q square. If we add this, we get 288 q square. 288 q square can be written as, or first of all write 288 q square, then 8q and 40q, that means 48q 48q and plus 5 plus 16, 5 plus 11, 16. So now we can take 16 common. Here in 288, we can write 16 into 18. So 16 is common. Here 16 q to the power 4, q to the power 4 plus 2 into 8, 16 comes out, 2 into 8, 16 q. Here 16 comes out, 18 q square, plus here 16 comes out, it is 48, that means 3q, and then 16 comes out 1. So this whole term if we write as k, so 16k, where k is 16q to the power 4 plus 16q cube plus 18q square plus 3q plus 1. So that means first odd number is expressed in the form of 16q. So in the same way we can express the second odd number also. So let's see it. So next one, for n equal to 4q plus 3, we have n to the power 4 plus 4n square plus 11 is, put the value 4q plus 3 whole to the power 4 plus 4 into 4q plus 3 whole square plus 11. So again here 4q plus 3 whole square is common, so 4q plus 3 whole square is common. Here remains 4q plus 3 square, here remains 4, and then plus 11. So again we have to break these things. So if we break here, 16 q square plus 3 for the 24q, a plus b whole square formula, and 9. Here 4q square means 16q square plus 24q plus 9, again plus 4, and then plus 11. So again here 16q square plus 24q plus 9, here remains 16q square plus 24q plus 9 and 4 13 plus 11. So here if we write 16q square into, we have to multiply these two expressions, 16q square, that means 16 into 16 q to the power 4, then 16 into this, 16 into 24 q cube, 16 into 13 plus 16 into 13 q square plus 24 q into 16, that means 16 into 24 q cube plus 24 into 24 into 24 q square plus 24 q into 13, that means 24 into 13 q, again 9 into 16, 16 into 9, 16 into 9 q square plus 9 into 24 or 24 into 9 q, then plus 9 into 13, 9 into 13 is 9 into 13, and then plus 11. So we have to again add similar terms. What are similar terms? 16 into 16 q to the power 4, 16 into 16 q to the power 4 plus q cube. If we add these things, 16 into 24 q cube, 16 into 24 q cube, that means 2 times, it's coming 2 times, 2 into 16 into 24 q cube, so plus, then q square, 16 into 13 q square, 24 into 24 q square, and then here remains 16 into 13 q square. If we add these all numbers, we will get, let me calculate. So if we multiply, if we add this 16 into 13 q square, 24 into 24 q square, and 16 into 9 q square, we get 928 q square, and 928 q square can be written as 16 into 58 q square, then plus q containing terms are 24 into 13q and 16 into 9q is 24 into 9q. So 24 into 13q and 24 into 9q. Let me calculate first. So 24 into 13q and 24 into 9q. If we add these two results, we get 528q, and 528q can be written as 16 into 58q. So 16 into 58q, and then 9 into 13 plus 11. After adding this, we get 9 into 13 plus 11, 128. 128 can be written as, let me check, 128, 9 into 13 plus 11, 128. 128 can be written as 16 into 8. Now see, we have to take 16 common, since we have to show that in the form of 16k. So 16 is common. Here means 16q to the power 4. Here means 16 comes out 48q, then 58q square. That is why I have expressed them in as the product of 16, so that we can easily take out 16. 58q square plus 58q, sorry, yeah, calculation quite wrong. Here it should be 33. So 33q plus 16 comes out 8. So here we can take, right, 16 into k, where k is this number. You will write here k is this number. So we can write so we have to write for any odd integer n to the power 4 plus 4n square plus 11 can be expressed as 16k, where k belongs to z. So this k means what? This term is nothing but an integer, since q and the numbers are all integers. Let's go to next number. Question number 7. See question number 7. Show that the difference of a number and its square is always an even integer. So if a is an integer, then difference of its square and a, that means a square minus a, is an even number. We have to prove it. So first of all, we have to proceed in the same way using division algorithm. So first of all, consider any integer a. Solution: let a be any integer, a be any integer, and b is equal to what number you will take as b, as we have to show it as even. So we have to consider the value of b either 2, 4, 6, so that multiple of 2. We have to consider a number as b as multiple of 2 or directly 2. So it will be easy for us to show it that difference, its square and a number is always an even integer. So take b as 2. Why I am considering 2? Because we have to prove the expression a square minus a as a even integer. Why a square minus a? Because square and its difference. Square, if a is integer, then square is a square, then difference means what? Square and its difference a. So if b is 2 and a be any integer, then using division algorithm, we can write a is equal to bq plus r, where r means less than b, greater than or equal to 0. So a is equal to b means 2q plus r, and here r is greater than or equal to 0, less than 2, since value of b is 2. So therefore possible values of r 0, 1. If b is 2, then possible value of r is r 0 and 1. So after putting 0 and 1 we get therefore value of a 2q or comma 2q plus 1. So now we have to show that square of this number and difference of this number is a even number. So first of all we will see for a is equal to twice q. So for a is equal to twice q, a is equal to twice q, consider for a is equal to twice q, what expression we get? Difference of a number and its square. If a is a number, its square is a square minus a. The given expression is this one. No? So we have to show that this expression is a even integer. No? Why I am not subtracting a square from a? Why I am not writing a square, a minus a square? Because a square will be always greater than value of a. Yes or not? So we cannot subtract greater number from smaller number. It will give us negative number. So that I am writing a square minus a. You can write a minus a square also, but you will get in negative numbers. So we have to consider a square minus a. So for a is equal to twice q, a square minus a. So in a square minus a, we can take out a common, a. Here a minus 1. So a means what? Twice q. And here twice q minus 1. We know that even numbers are the multiple of 2. Suppose 4 is an even number. 4 is 2 into 2. 6 is an even number. So 6 is 2 into 3. That means if we can express it in the form of 2k or 2p, whatever, then it will be an even number. So if we write it in the way 2k, and I have considered this value q into 2q minus 1 sk, where k is equal to q into 2q minus 1. No? So this is nothing but an integer. No? Or you can write belongs to z here. So this is a multiple of 2sk. That means which is an even. Yes or not? Which is even. Multiple of 2sk means what? It is even. So we will see from 2sk plus 1. For a is equal to 2sk plus 1. A is equal to 2sk plus 1. Again we need a square minus a. We have to prove in the form of 2sk. So again a is common. A minus 1. So put the value of a, twice q plus 1, and here twice q plus 1 and minus 1. So twice q plus 1 and 1 get cancelled into twice q. Again we can express it in the form of twice k. So 2 into this one, 2q plus 1 into q, or if we write it 2 into k, where k is 2q plus 1 into k. So this is again expressed in the form of 2k. That means square and difference of a number is always an even number. Therefore we can write what? The difference of a number and its square is always an even number. Thank you.